What is the difference between your everyday car accident and an accident that you've been involved in with a truck? And the answer would be it's extraordinarily different. First off, and most obviously, and you don't need to be a lawyer to know this, a truck is a much bigger vehicle than a car. In a trucking accident, we're generally talking about an 18-wheeler. Trucks are federally regulated. There is a statute called the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, which lays out a whole statutory and administrative scheme for how 18-wheelers and other trucks need to be operated throughout the country. There is liability, or the potential for liability, in several different defendants when it comes to truck accidents. You have the driver himself. You have whoever put him on that road, and that could be the shipper. It could be a broker who put together the motor vehicle operator and whoever was trying to sell the goods. It could be whatever company that the driver is working for, just through your everyday employment or vicarious liability. Based on the type of truck, you may need an expert to go out and pull data from the engine itself. That data will tell you how fast the truck was going prior to the collision, how long the truck had been operated. You've heard of black boxes in airplane collisions or crashes and things like that. Big rigs, trucks, also have a similar black box, and that can be a treasure trove of information in a trucking case, because that can give you how long the truck's been operated, how quickly it was moving, how quickly it stopped when it came into a collision. And you need an expert to go out and pull that information. You may have an accident reconstructionist in your everyday car accident case, but this is a whole different world of information that needs to be explored by an expert and then your attorney when you're dealing with a trucking case. And it's not just, oh, the truck rear-ended me in these type of collisions either. Going back to those Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, there are a number of regulations as to how long a motor vehicle operator is allowed to be on the road on a given day. We've all seen cases where truckers get on TV after a bad collision and they say, oh, I was just exhausted. I've been driving for 36 hours straight. That's not allowed. So if you want to put yourself in the best position to advocate for yourself after you've been injured by one of these large trucks, you need an attorney just as familiar with all of these rules and regulations as the trucking companies themselves are.